close my eyes and I see you. I feel you.
I always tell myself, say, I have to make it. But you have some people in your life, they don't want to see you make it. You know what them do? They want to see you do good enough, but they don't want to see you do better than them. All of the people that we are born bad-minded people, put up your hand on the ear so let me see them. Everybody, that's again.
Love and hate can never be friends.
What the God bless them down here tonight? You have some people who remember God when they lie down for a hospital bed. You have some people pray for richness and when they start make money they don't remember God. The people that know you love God, put up your hand on the ear so I get them to see them. Watch out. Watch out. Hold up. Oh no, someone can't wave, no. I know someone can't wave, we have the answer. I know someone can't wave, we have the answer. Son!
So yes peeps, welcome to Harmony Park and this is the night. We are here in the night peeps and this is what it looks like in the night here. People all over. When I say crowded, it's crowded, very crowded here in Harmony Park, Montego Bay. So we're going to walk through and show you what I go on and what I go on. Yeah, but it's extremely crowded, peeps. So welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Holy Fire 777 and we are like 1 hour away from the New Year. Just an hour away, peeps. So it's like, let me see what time now. An hour and 40 minutes. So I'm just gonna walk around a bit and show you guys what's happening here in Montego Bay. As I said, peeps. Yeah, I'm a little bit, I wouldn't say under the weather, but yeah. But because I don't take pill, that's the reason why I have to bear this. So as I hear clappers bursting and all of that, kids are having fun and trust me, crowd out here like yeah, lots of kids. Just imagine, Danai and Dante will be 3 months, fully 3 months. Yeah, but I wouldn't have them out here this late still. But yeah, it will be a very wonderful Christmas with Danai and Dante. For all of you guys who don't know who Danai and Dante is my son and my daughter. They were twins and they died. Yes, under very questionable circumstances. Yeah. So as I say, we are out here, but that's a questionable circumstances. But trust me, you guys will hear more about Danaya and Dante. Yeah, 2026 will be a year to declare war. You get what I'm saying? So as I say, yeah, I'm out here. So people they here sell food. Let me watch past the food court show. No? Let me pass the food court. And copyright music was playing earlier, but kind of stopped now. They're having some form of competition. But over here really packed. I was all the way. I came over here before it was like this. I didn't know that it was like this. Wow. There is no space. So let me just pass and show you what's happening. Obviously they have a lot of food court. They have a food court. And people have their generator running so they can get electricity. Wow. This is big place. Bro, daddy with him baby. Yeah. That with his baby. Yeah. Look at that place. All kind of food. You see if they have soup or get a soup. You see a soup. There's somebody with soup here and I have to what kind of soup they have. Soup you have some of that? I know you have some. What kind of soup you have, boss? Okay. Nothing for me. Alright. So they have no soup for me. all contain meat. You know my thing. I don't eat meat. So yes, peeps out here in Montego Bay. So we're just walking around and show you what's happening. Yeah. Oh, you're enjoying yourself? Can I have a show your face? You enjoying yourself? How are you enjoying it? You want to go yard? When your work has started, so you want to go home already? You're bored? I guess they're having some farmer event up there where you don't go close up to the stage. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, over there. And you can subscribe to the channel. And you check it out. After 157 season. Yeah. Thank you. Girls are bored. You know, actually I was sitting down myself and I was feeling bored away a while ago too, because actually it's past my bedtime. I'm a guy that used to go into my bed early also. So let's just walk through the crowd, peeps, just a piano, and we're done a nice circle and go through the crowd. As we see a lot of people out here with their kids and they're enjoying, you know, waiting on the fireworks. So the fireworks is like, let me see what time now. It's about an hour and 10 minutes from now. Yeah. Yeah, hour and 10 minutes from now. There we have fireworks. And over here is where we keep. This is a park and beach park rather. As you can see, yes, over here it's huge. When I say huge, I mean huge. It's very big. It's a good initial because, I mean, people have a very rough year with the corona, I should say, with the hurricane. Yeah, so I'm just walking around and showing what I'm going. See? People over here like, whoa, whole heap of people, It's the first actually seen so much people in Montego Bay, one place. I've never seen so much people in Montego Bay, one place. And trust me, yeah. All these gigglers are sellers are actually making some money. Because after the hurricane, everybody needs to make some money because the kids going to school right in January. And when January comes, yeah, people are going to need money. So yes, peeps, if it's the first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. One fire, all fire, love what you do what you love, and do it to the best of your ability. So you have food, juice, everything over here same way. But as to me, the only thing I want now is some soup. But what I notice is majority of people don't sell soup that I drink. They mostly look about meat, chicken foot and everything else. But I'm not into that. Not even as a fish soup. Yeah, it's crazy. And of course, one time I used to be like nervous to record in public like this, but now I don't give a crap. So I'm walking down here and then we're going to walk up the top there. But the good thing is we have more lighting down here. The lighting is very better down this side. So you guys can see far better. But I'm facing the light, so the light is shining right in the camera. But very good. As you can see, yeah, down here really, I mean, festive. Just the people are standing across there because when the fireworks start, people want to be closer to the water where they can see exactly what is happening. But we're going to show you everything what is happening, please. So let's just walk around. So I'm just the boy qualified there to show you guys what's happening here in Montego Bay. And this is Montego Bay, this is the tourist capital of Jamaica. It's all happening here in Montego Bay. Right up there you have the kiddies section, you have a kiddies playground up there. To my right. Yeah, and as we say, people that close, a lot of people that closer to the water because they want to be closer to the water when the fireworks start. And when the fireworks start, people are going to start moving faster, so closer to the water so that the people not going to get a good view. So people are actually picking their spots from now. Yeah. So as I said, peeps, if it's your first time coming across the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. On fire, hold fire, love what you do and do what you love. Do it to the best of your ability. That is it. Yeah. Now the toilets are down here, so big. Okay, so I saw they were working at this on this place earlier on up in the mountains before the hurricane, not before the hurricane, after the hurricane. So it's a pizza, ice cream, cake, sandwich, pastries. Okay, cool. Really cool. And it's full. Yeah. And I love to see stuff like that when it's local and it's full like that. Yeah, no KFC, I love the full. It's the full too. Local franchise. So as I said, this place is a very big place. All for parking, all for space. Yeah. It's Harmony Beach Park. Harmony Beach Park. Yes. So this is what happening here in Montego Bay. As I say, this is the last of 2025, so we are going into 2026, and I tell you, peeps, this is something to talk about. As I said, I went to Grand Market, and Grand Market wasn't half as big as this. Grand Market wasn't half as big as this. This is extremely big, peeps. The amount of crowd, and I haven't been through the crowd yet. You guys are gonna see when I'm going through the crowd what it's like. So we're actually 10 minutes, 11 minutes in, and I'm still walking around. Let me see what time leave. So we have like 4 minutes leave, peeps. So we're gonna turn here. There's an exit here to go out. Yeah, there's an exit here to leave Harmony Park. Yeah, there's an exit here. And I realize that a lot of Jamaicans, not a lot, but some people are so daft when you come on to YouTube and recording and all of that. They don't understand that when you're in a public space, you have all the right to record and stuff like that. People are like, oh, my record, YouTube my record, you know? Yeah. But in life, there is no cure for stupidity. There ain't no cure for stupidity. So yes, peeps, as I say, we're there at Harmony Park. I'm gonna say we're there at Harmony Park. That's Patwa. So big up all my foreigners or foreign subscribers, especially you guys, especially Sister Joan. We always saying that she don't understand me when I speak Patwa. But sis, yeah, sometimes you gotta speak chat a little Patwa so you understand a little bit of Jamaican lingua. Yeah. You're gonna hit once it's a Jamaican, you have to hear a little bit of Patwa at times. And sometimes we're gonna mix it up too. Yeah, a mix of Patwa with English. A lot of Jamaicans doesn't really speak proper English like myself. I don't really speak proper English all the time. I love to use Patwa. So big up all my subscribers overseas and in Jamaica. Enough love and respect. Happy New Year. When you come, more life, more blessings. Yeah, and thank you guys for supporting the channel as we continue to grow. Yeah. As we continue to grow, I really appreciate you guys. Without you guys, it would have been possible. Yeah. So let me get back further in the crowd that I didn't get to earlier. Let me really get in the crowd. Deep in the crowd, please. I'll go in the crowd, as I say in Jamaica. I'll go deep in the crowd. I'll go deep in the crowd, please. So the thing is, people still because I haven't seen any other YouTuber about the place. This is a YouTuber here, but they're in the Montego, but I haven't seen him tonight. They may have to he has to work. You see what I'm talking about? Whenever time a Jamaican tries to speak up in English, we are mixed up. Yeah, maybe that guy have to work because it's actually a security guard. So as I walk around the beach, I'm going to show you we are going into the deep, crowded section. When I say crowded, I mean crowded. But I say I've never seen so much people in Montego Bay, one place. Oh, people have to be waiting to use the bathroom to go. Imagine that. That's where you're going to people there here. Because there's a lot of restrooms. Yeah, look. Crowded. Whoa. People waiting. Whoa. Right down here, so because it's too crowded, peeps. Look at that. So as we say, this is what I love to see when establishments created by Jamaicans are crowded, making a good sale. You can smell the jerk chicken. Yeah, real authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. And if I watch the channel now, say I jerk chicken very well also. So I can get a water. Beach rental, swimsuit, water. Swimsuit, and after later have water. Sell water, nice lady. Sell water. Water. Room temperature. We don't have one, please. I'm sorry. 170. Is it water offline? If you answer me, if I feel like I'm just messing with you.
Get the inside, my father.
Let's see. 170. $20? No. Ours rather something minty. Because my knows everything about it. The money done? Yes. You know you're not gonna even do. Alright. Wow. That's the road end gates. So I got myself a water. But it's not water with wow. Actually I don't even know this water. So stick and stay peeps and don't go away as I show you what's happening in and around Montego Bay. As we say, we are in Harmony Park. This water is good. I don't know why this water is so hard to pull. I like what I'm used to. I'm not used to this water. I don't really like it. So let's see what's happening down here. It's very crowded, as I said, peeps. As I said before, I've never seen so much people in Montego Bay one place. First, I've actually seen so much people one place. This is crowded, peeps. That's the more people that are already at the waterfront because they want to be at the front to see what's happening. So they're moving closer to the waterfront as time goes by. So as we get closer to 12 o'clock. But this place is used to custom easily. People say Jamaica is small, but Jamaica is not that small. This place is huge. Very huge. Oh, some Chinese there too. Leave the Chinese them out and about.
To reset. Think about what you want to achieve.
There's a whole lot of people across the beach. You know, the beach, nobody's in the water, nobody's allowed to go in the water because they have lifeguards here and stuff. People ensure that nobody gets in the water at this time.
Montego Bay has been through a rough match.
So let's go up here and see what's happening. Somebody the anesthesia talk, we don't know who.
But to rise again, we have to come together. We have to work hard. We have to stick together as
rich
a city,
and
as a
flourishing. So
municipality,
people
as
can
a
sit in the
nation.
grass.
Because we are going to make it.
Yeah.
All those who are out of a job, just hold it. Hold the fort. The job won't come again.
So crowded
We're going to rebuild
It is
bit by
crowded.
bit by bit.
Yeah.
And we
I
are
don't
going
even
to
know
be
where to
a
turn.
great city and a great municipality once more. So just go and hold it for people. Go and stay strong. Prepare yourself for 2026 and prepare yourself for the beautiful fireworks. No matter how tough it has been, no matter how it's hard to find the money right now, we decided that we had to have two particular things for you. The Christmas tree lighting and tonight the fireworks. Because you deserve it. You deserve a break. You deserve to be stress-free for the rest of the year. A few hours to go. So I didn't get to wish many of you Merry Christmas. Past, but I'm still wishing you. But a happy 2026 when it comes in a few hours. Happy New Year, Montego Bay.
You know how much time?
Thank you.
This is what you should have been saying.
Thank you so much, man. And we're going to ask you to make a presentation now to the
The other day I recorded something here and I was saying that
gentlemen. This is the winner for the dance competition. They did push-ups as well.
Montego Bay is full of different communities. Trees, there must be communities in around Montego Bay. So, you know?
Now, I represent for you, man. Come represent. Hi, John.
Yeah. Fireman.
Here you go. Give it up for Marcel.
Fireman, I'm not to hear them.
Clap him, man. Man, cool and ladies and shit.
Who is fireman and what is fireman? Fireman is the Rasta them call it fireman.
Give it up for Papi.
So this is it, kids. As I said, we are getting into the crowd now. Heading up to the front part. Yeah. Yeah. This is what the crowd looks like. This is what it looks like, people.
Give it up for Oshie.
Real crowded. Harmony Beach Park here in Montego Bay. And I'm walking very slow. Not too much minutes we're gone. We're gone like 21 minutes.
Give it up for Pierce.
Well, actually I start walking and start some sugar. I was feeling chilly earlier on. Not feeling like that right now.
JT.
I feel actually more comfortable recording in public now than one time. One time you never get ready. But gradually as you grow, you know that what you're doing because you love it. You're living to it.
Zaire, you're man, the man from Africa. Give it up for
Everybody has
Zaire.
something, right?
My brother. Brother, oh.
That is it, please. That is it. Nothing said. Look at her. Look at her. Road. Nothing for the tree lighting. Some people want to over here, but this is different. So you're definitely going to get more people coming out. This is completely something different. So you're going to have more people coming out. Definitely. Definitely going to have more people coming out. New Year celebration. Nobody want to be buying trees and even though and me personally, the nice one is we just want to me personally, I never really like to see bigger than Grandma in Montego Bay, Kingston. Yeah.
No, no matter.
People actually see them down on the corner. After our start, people are going to move. And everybody want to be on the front to see the fireworks and what's happening.
Somebody else.
So let me just try to go nearer to the stage today. Stage to see what's happening here. And sometimes people stare only because you have nobody else recording. That's not surprised. You know you have no YouTube on here recording or anything like that. People like steering.
Okay, come on this side. What's your mistake?
And sometimes the people are just steering at recording.
Something inspirational.
The crowd, they get timid by the crowd.
It's not a song like I want you help me big up Jamaica.
Let's go nearer to the stage.
I say this is the
There's a drone in the sky also.
we love the vibes, we love the food and the culture. Whoa, can't you see the beauty of this country? We never know a serious thing until we reach our foreign. Say what a nice place we live. We have no problem here. Say what a nice place we live. We have no problem here. Now is some money in your pocket and God in your heart. Crowd of people, what more you want? Reggae music, I play a reggae artist that shot. I have some me man and me non transplant. What a nice place for them. The only problem is
Dollars are run, dollars are run.
alright.
You saying dollars no run, dollars no run.
She ready for the mic, should I shine?
You have to be careful.
Alright, so what's your name?
What you
Kareem.
say.
And where are you from, Kareem?
Oh,
I'm from South St. James, Springfield to be exact.
Okay. Okay.
Let's see what's happening
What would you
here.
like to sing today?
That's the song.
Only didn't know that. You see it, Panar, no? You look gospelish. Yeah, man, you see it. You have the aura of God with you, my sister. And she, I make you tell them that.
I'm also a cancer survivor, so I have much to give God thanks for. Can I read? I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me.
You know what's that you're going to sing?
All my life I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. We survived, Melissa, so therefore we have much to give thanks for. All my life you have been faithful.
zoom in on her.
And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so, so good. With every breath that I am able, oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I will sing of the goodness of God. Oh, I'm a warrior, a Christian warrior, with me weapon in my right hand. Come on, I am a warrior, a Christian warrior, with me weapon in my right hand. Warrior, oh, warrior, hey. Warrior, oh, warrior. warrior. Hey.
Man, give it up. We love the energy. You are a survivor. We are a survivor. And this is the year of the survivors. You lose that. You know, say if you lose your business, you're going to get more. You just clear the way. Well, I'm going to something here. You just clear the way for bigger and better things. The God does prepare you for the greatness. Come on, give it up for our sister. She's representative of so much of Jamaica. Personal, financial, survivor. And she smiles and glows with the glory of God. Come on, give her a big round of applause. You're most welcome. Thank you for blessing us with your presence. And your ministry. That was testimony. That felt like church, no?
Alright, you want me to say, you know? Engineer like I like the one for the stage. For me, please and thanks. So be a dance this one for the stage. Look how the people that look good, man. Jesus Christ, man. See you up on the ground. I like Jackers there, you don't know. Jeff for the wheel of steel. All over light take out the full light and turn them on now. The people that love Jamaica, although the star pass, but we still there, we strong. All who know no not sell out Jamaica, or don't love Jamaica, but once you don't take out on the phone and turn on the full light them now. All through Jamaica, take out the full light them and turn them on. All through Jamaica. If you don't have the full light, put up your hand on the ears of Jamaica. No matter what they do, they can't see you. All who love Jamaica, we have to answer. All through Jamaica. And my eyes are filled with tears as you strip me of all my fears. So I stand before you. All who love Jamaica, we have heard them so. No, we wanna feel Jamaica, Lord. All of the people that will love God Almighty, put up your hand in the air so let me see them. While I'm living, Bobby! Every full light take out and turn on. The people that know you love God and God love you. I'm living while I'm living to the Father I will pray. Why for me? Who are you? The world do just sing ready. All I see. Your name and you heard me. You saw me. Saw a broken man. Don't play it again. All of the people that say nobody can stop you in their life, put up your hand on the ear so let me see them. The people that know nobody can stop you, that's on you. All of the people that say, well, you can't stop yourself in your life. Put up your hand here. All of say nobody can stop you. You're ready. Jump. Here I stand. Don't play it. You have some people who remember God when they lie down for a hospital bed. You have some people pray for richness and when they start make money they don't remember God. The people that know you love God, put up your hand here so I get them to see them. Watch out. Watch out. Hold on. Oh no, so we can't wait.
tears of joy. I never cry. I love you so.
This is why I love Jamaica.
Where is it?
Now they want to legalize up here. We have to recognize God.
Who me sent to Guinea? What the God bless them down here tonight? Ready?
Here I come.
With love and not hatred.
Who remember the one there?
Rise up this morning.
What you say?
Smiling the rising sun.
Allah! What have they done?
Sit by my doorstep.
What have they not done?
Singing sweet songs.
I sang go!
This pure and true.
Sing again!
Singing. This is my message to you.
What kind of message?
I guess people are outside. We are outside Harmony Park here, and this is as much people as is coming in and out of Harmony Park. The place is jam-packed. Look at the streets. Look at the streets. It is crazy out here. Sidewalk, walk on the sidewalk. You can't even walk on the sidewalk. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Some people going inside these. Look at people going inside. You know when you come around? This is Montego Bay. Isn't it crazy? Yo! This is crazy people. As I said, I've never seen so much people in Montego Bay. I literally can't find nowhere to walk on the sidewalk. This sidewalk is crowded. So anyway people, you can stay. Don't go away. One fire, hold fire. Love what you love, you can do what you love. As we continue, show now what going on in Montego Bay. So yes peeps, I'm trying to get back inside now. You can see now peeps, it's closer to 12 o'clock and you all can find a space. You're going near the waterfront because everybody wants to go near the waterfront. So it's like 30 minutes to 12 now. 30 minutes to 12. And you can park on the kind of space that is close to the waterfront. Practically full up. So everybody try to get space early. So yeah, but I want to have a close. So let's try to get a close space. lighting, even though the lighting are bad. Yeah, whoa, I'm surprised by the lighting. Yo, I am surprised by the lighting. So anyway, people, stick and stay. But people here are like crazy on the beach. They say everybody wants a close up. Close up view. Whoa, people are all the way down. Look at that, peeps. Look at that. Look at that. I am very surprised by the view also. Because it's fucking dark, but it's showing better. Everybody want to be close to the waterfront, so let me say about 30 minutes left. So let's see how close we can get to this. Let me see the boat. The boat will have these fireworks. I don't know what the boat is. Where's the boat? Let's see the boat, peeps. So anyway, peeps, stick and stay. Oh, I guess I'm gonna zoom in a little brighter. So, wow. Well, I'm really surprised by the light here. So I was gonna say, people here are like crazy, peeps. So stick and stay and don't go nowhere. As I say, few minutes leave. Tell how much minutes leave now. So it's like, let's call it 11 minutes until 11 minutes until 12 o'clock. So yeah, enough people there. Stick and stay. Don't go nowhere. See this, peeps? It's like 1 minute to 12 now. Like a minute to 12. So happy New Year now. New Year now. A minute to now. It's a minute to look at the beach, peeps. Look at the people. Really relief for them to come out and celebrate a new year, to live to see the new year. It's a wonderful feeling too. This is just spectacular. peeps. A lot of people come out for this. Over there. That's the last of it. You done it? You don't know? I've never seen so much people in Montego Bay. One place. So you see, that is it. So we're heading home. Happy New Year to all of you, my subscribers, for keeping subscribing and supporting over the year. This video. Look at people, look at the crowd, look at the crowd. This crowd is thick on the beach here in Montego Bay. First, I must see people in Montego Bay, one place beach. Look at that. Look at that. I've never seen so much people come out in Montego Bay yet. Never. This is just huge. A lot of people are still here at this moment. I am going home.
Just last month ago.
Yeah. to keep focusing on God. Yeah, as we head out of here. Wagwan out there. Yeah, Wagwan. So, thick. Look at people, babes. Look at people. Then, yeah, man. That's it, good, man. That is the main one you can walk around here. Until next video, remember, God over devil, life over death. Yeah, big up on yourself. On fire, holy fire, love what you do and what you love. And as I say, peeps, remember, God is God, Jesus Christ is Lord. Until next video, peace out.
And I stand before you naked and as I am. You fill me with a love too great to understand. Am I dreaming or awake? It's just the same. And I'm crying tears of joy.